think this is exactly 5 days before the owlets come out of the nest. So the mom, this is still the mom. The mom has a little bit brownish in her feather. The dad is more greenish. Oh, she is stretching her right wing and try to groom her feather because she stay a lot of time inside the nest, so the feather might not be smooth. So the first thing, usually when the parents come out of the nest, they will try to groom their feather to make them in the best condition for flight, to achieve the better flight performance. And this is the owlet because the mom just come out and the curious kids just try to, well, two of them, so lovely, they're just side by side, watching from the tree hole. It is a beautiful springtime, as you can see that the leaves, the sprouts, it comes more greens than previous video. It is a perfect time for the owlet to fledge in this springtime.